Established in 1986, Novi currently employs over 250 employees of more than 18 different nationalities. Our dedicated footwear technology system and sourcing team are our core strengths. It is thanks to them that we can provide high-quality assurance and a systematic management of material sourcing, so we are in full control of the logistics and the supply chain. The Wortmann Group is the majority shareholder of Novi Footwear since 2000. Wortmann KG, established in 1967, is considered among the biggest European companies for footwear production and sales. Novi Footwear cooperates with a wide range of customers across the world, from sourcing leather and synthetic shoes to designing the whole product for different customers. Our aim is to know and understand the customer so well that the product we develop for them fits their vision. We understand that there is no such thing as one last fits all. That's why we develop and digitize all our lasts in-house, enabling us to replicate the customer's fit and grading as many times as needed. Our cutting-edge 3D printing facilities for soles and other components speed up the process and accuracy of designs and prototypes. We have 5 workshops around our Dongguan office. To serve and fulfill our customer needs, these 5 workshops can supply prototypes, sales samples, and confirmation samples with incredible speed. Is our objective to meet our customers' requirements and guarantee an on-time delivery. Novi has qualified technicians and QC inspectors stationed in each of our production areas. From the initial specification inspection to the material review and last inspection, from the raw quality material to the QC of the finished product. Accountability all the way, without compromises. Novi is a member of Satra Technology Center, and we have our own Satra Gold Seal accredited laboratory in Dongguan, China. A successful business is only as successful as its administrative team. We are glad to have them to support all the business needs and two-way communication between clients and production teams. Every department works together in Novi to guarantee your product is made on time, fits your budget, and suits your specifications.